Hey guys, this is River Rentals MB. Going to do a quick walkthrough, a sped up version of 3 distinct times on our project that is almost coming to completion here in the next couple weeks. The project on Newcastle Boulevard. This is, if you guys aren't aware, you haven't watched previous videos, be sure to go back and take a look at a little more in-depth talk about the scope of work and why we chose to do what we have done at this point in time. This project is a single-family home. It was a 2-bed, technically, 1 bath. As you can see, as we get deeper into this video, we changed the complete layout of this property. This property had become vacant after we had a tenant that had stayed for just approximately 1 year. Once they moved out, it was apparent there was a lot of damage, not so much caused by them, just the building being older. As we're coming into frame here, you guys can see we had to gut this thing right down. This actually is at this phase where electrical's all completely removed, plumbing is removed, new framing has taken place. And we have the new layout figured out where the kitchen is no longer in the middle of the building. It is now at the front, giving us space to be able to do 2 bedrooms at the rear of the house. We're not sure about your guys' rental market, but right now we are very fortunate that the single-family home model is working for us in our area. We do have some multifamily properties as well. But right now the single family home rental market is doing quite well for us. So as you can see here, this video was just taken today. We have drywall, all new electrical panel, all new electrical lines run. We have everything roughed in, ready for, right now we're standing in what is going to be the kitchen. Bathrooms ready to get ready for plumbing fixtures such as your vanity, standalone shower and toilet. We also are going to have our laundry in there as well, washer and dryer. We have picked a paint color, so the paint is done, obviously not trim or flooring down yet, but we do have paint color. It's got a pinkish hue to it, so it's definitely a bright color. We have pot lights throughout is what we've chosen to go with. This is the area of the house where the kitchen was located before, so that's one of the bedrooms. We have kept it a 2-bed, 1-bath property just due to the square footage. There was no way to add a 3rd bedroom without really extending the building itself. And right now we're in a huge walk-in closet for that second bedroom. So guys, we have to lay our flooring, put our trim in, doors, bathroom and kitchen. But like I said, we should be wrapping up in the next 2 weeks. We're super excited with that. We already have tenants lined up for this thing. We did have to push them back. They were supposed to move in August 1st. Anyways, everyone, we are greatly appreciated for all the interaction and engagement we got on our last video we posted last weekend. Let's keep that track record up. Let's get some likes, some subscribes. Hey, even leave a comment. Go to our bed. We'll take it all. Thanks, guys.